Hi guys, how you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing great. If this is your first time of seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you know that you haven't subscribed yet, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button down below. And if you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be dropping a new video. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Okay, so guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about base cream and also oils that you can use to activate your base cream. So I know that this is an issue for some people. Okay, so if you are the type that promise lotion or you make your product from scratch and your cream is not really that effective as you want it to be, okay, you might want to keep on watching this video because I'm going to be breaking everything down for you guys, and also I'll be telling you guys things that you need to activate your base cream. There are so many active ingredients that you can actually use to activate your base cream, but then they are not going to give you that 7 days strong whitening lotion. There are so many whitening or lightening active ingredients out there. They are not bad, they are so good. Okay, so those are the things I normally use to formulate my lotion for caramel skin, chocolate skin. Okay, but if you want to formulate lotion for like 5D 4D shade, you can as well just use any of these oils that I will be talking about. But then before you buy any of this oil in the market, you have to be very conscious of where you are buying them from, because there are so many fake out there in the market. And don't forget, all the oil I'll be talking about don't have label, okay? And anybody can decide to call it any name they want to call it. They can call it 5 shade, 7 shade whitening oil, Russian oil, magica oil, whatever name they decide to call it. So the one I sell, I only sell in 500 ml and 1 liter ml in case you want to buy. Okay, and none of this oil is cheap. They are so expensive. But if you want to use it to make money and you want to use this oil to formulate your own lotion, you want it to be very effective, you don't want to have any skin complications like stretch mark, green veins, discoloration, okay, these oils will be very good for you to use because they are all good and safe for the skin. Okay, and another thing I want you guys to know, if you want to make lotion for caramel skin or chocolate skin, you can decide to use whitening active ingredients. Okay, although they are quite expensive, but they are safer on the skin. I would discriminate that. Okay, so they are very good for the skin. If you want to use something like alpha arbutin, kojic acid, kojic deep, tranexamic acid, sim white, giga white, those whitening active powders, they are very good. But if you want to have a fast action cream, or how will I put it, if you want something that will work in 7 days, in 14 days, whitening active powders will not really give you that effect because they work gradually on the skin. It takes a while before they start working. So that is one of the things that you need to know when you are purchasing a natural product or a natural lotion. You have to be very conscious. You have to know these things, that they don't work as you want them to. There is no natural, let's use this word organic that everybody are so familiar with. There's no organic lotion that will work within 5 days, 6 days. Not like they won't work, but you won't really get that fast whitening effect. It takes a while. It takes a month or 3 months, or 3 weeks before you start seeing results. So when you want to achieve a natural beautiful skin and you want to use whitening active powders to achieve that, you have to be very patient and very consistent with your product. You have to use your sunscreen, you have to exfoliate your skin, you have to take your supplements, you have to drink a lot of water and eat healthy, and you have to reduce stress. Those are just extra tips I just want you guys to know. But then you have to be very consistent, and you have to be very patient when using natural products. But when they start working, babe, you're gonna love your skin. Okay, you're going to love your skin 100%. That is not, it's not just blabbing, that is just the truth. But now let's just dive right into this video. Okay, so now I'm going to be calling out the oils that you need to activate your cream. And also I have one cream here that you can also use to activate your cream and make it super effective. So this cream is one of the secrets that most of all these organic formulators use that you don't know. Maybe you might have been wondering, how come I usually do my cream, I promise my cream, I make it from scratch, and I put a lot of ingredients, and at the end of the day it didn't work? That's because you are not doing it right, or you don't really know the way. So now, the first oil that you will need to activate your base cream, you'll be needing Russian Extreme Whitening Oil. So this oil is what I call mine. So in case you can get some other oils outside and his name whitening is 7 days whitening oil or some other name, I don't know about this oil, but I'm telling you about the one I know and the one I have been using. Okay, so the second oil is strong whitening oil. That is the name. Yes, strong whitening oil. Now this Russian oil work within 7 to 14 days. Okay, you can use it to promise your whitening oil, you can use it to promise your face cream, you can use it to promise your body cream. Is so effective and very, very safe for the skin. Okay, and then the third oil that you can use is Arbutin whitening oil. This is another beautiful oil that you guys don't know. So this particular one here can be used for the face, can be used for the body, it can be used for whitening lotion, like 7 days whitening lotion. You can use it in mulatto soap, black soap. Okay, but then you have to know how to make use of these things. Promising is not just all about buying different kind of ingredients and pouring it together. No, there are so many other things you need to know about promising. You need to know the percentage usage rates. You don't just pack products together and mix because it's a promising method or whatsoever. They also have the percentage. You have to calculate before you start producing. Okay, and then the fourth oil that you need is bleaching oil. So now a lot of people sell this oil out there, bleaching oil, and I don't know about other brands, but I know about the one I sell and the one I use. This particular one here is a very good oil, and this is the most, I think, the only cheap oil that I have here. So this particular one can be used for cleanser, it can be used for whitening oil, like you want to make a whitening oil that people would buy, or oil that you can actually use to promise your lotion. This particular oil will do that for you. And then let's get right into base cream that you can use to activate your cream. So now we have Snow White milk. This is not your regular Snow White milk out there. This particular one here is the best. I'm not the one that's making it. I buy from a company and I sell. So this Snow White milk is the best ever. This one works so fast and it gives this yellow toned skin and it glows your skin perfectly. And you can actually buy this and use it just the way it is. But if you want to use it to promise your cream, you want to use it to activate your cream, then you can use this. Okay, you can use it to activate your base cream. It works so well, it works so well. Okay, this Snow White milk is not just the name, but it's the effectiveness and the work. You will definitely love this, and this is one of the best products I have here on my list. So if you know that your base cream don't work, or your cream, your lotions don't work, no matter the kind of serums, the kind of powders you put into it, you can try any of these oils and creams that I just mentioned here, and I bet you're going to come back for more. Okay, so now, and I also have base cream activator. So now base cream activator have different type in the market. They have different type of base cream activator oil or serum, but this one here, you can use it to activate your face cream, you can use it to activate your body cream, you can use it to activate your moisturizer. Okay, you can use this base cream activator to activate anything product except cleanser. You can use it to activate your soap, you can use it to activate your serum. Is so good. Okay, this base cream activator is one in a million. It's something you must have, it's something you should have in your formulation. And when you have this into your product, you don't need to use too much ingredients, you don't need to use too much powders, you don't need to add in too much whitening powders or lightening powders just to activate your base cream. This will actually do the job for you. If you have this base cream activator and this Snow White milk, Russian milk, these 3 products into your whitening lotion, I bet you won't need too much whitening powders. And you guys know how whitening powders are. They are so expensive if you are buying from the right source. Okay, and if you're into organic, you really need all these things. I bet you really need it, and you will definitely love them. And it will save you from the stress of getting different type of products, putting so many steroids, so many hydroquinone, different mercury, hydroquinone, clobetasol into your product. This one can actually do the job for you, and you will save your customers from getting stretch mark and green vein. Okay, so these are the oils and cream. The only cream I have here is the Snow White milk. Okay, it's not just cream that you just buy and rub. This can serve as your activator, it can serve as your base cream, it can serve as your lotion. Okay, and you can just buy this and use it on your body without even getting some other things to use, and this will actually do the job for you. Okay, so now the Snow White milk is the 1 liter is 3,000 naira. Then the Russian extreme whitening oil is 32,000 naira. Strong whitening oil is 18,000 naira. Butane whitening oil is 15,500. And then base cream activator is 34,000 naira. Then bleaching oil is 17,000 naira. So guys, all of this oil, you don't really need to add it into your you don't need to add everything into your lotion. You can pick 3 or 4. It depends on how effective you want your lotion to be. Okay, and you can actually increase the percentage. Instead of using 4, you can increase the percentage of 2 and just use it together, and then you will have your perfect results. So these are the things I have for you guys, or this is the video I plan to do. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and I will leave my number on the screen so you can send me a DM, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, I love you guys, and I appreciate you guys for always watching my videos. You guys are the best. See you guys later. Bye. Mwah.